We would like to announce the performance highlights for the fourth quarter as well as for the year ending 31/3/2011. The net profit of the bank for the Q4 of financial year 2011 has improved to 313 crores as against 240 crores for FY 2010, reflecting an increase of 30.42%. The net profit for the 12 months ended March 2011 improved to 1,267 crores as compared to 1,046 crores last year, registering an year-on-year growth of 21.13%. The operating profit for the last quarter stood at 711 crores as against 527 crores in Q4 FY10, registering an year-on-year growth of 34.91%. The total business of the bank stood at 1,64,310 crores, recording a YoY growth of 22.44% over 1,34,194 crores in March 2010. The deposits at the end of March 2011 stood at 92,156 crores as compared to 77,688 crores in March 2010, exhibiting a growth of 18.62 on a year-on-year basis. Advances recorded a robust growth of 27.69% year-on-year, reaching a level of 72,154 crores as of March 11 from a level of 56,505 crores as of March 10. The CASA deposits increased to 26,779 crores in March 11 from a level of 22,864 crores in March 10, recording a growth of 17.12%. The CASA share in total deposits is 29.06% as at March 11 end. Savings bank deposits increased by 21.72% to a level of 19,619 crores from a level of 16,118 crores in March 10. Bank has a robust retail model to augment business spread, the credit risk and to have focused attention on high yielding advances. The retail credit portfolio of the bank increased to 10,479 crores as of 31/3/2011 as compared to 8,904 crores as on 31/3/2010, registering an year-on-year growth of 17.69%. The retail credit constitutes 14.52% of the gross bank credit. The growth in retail credit was mainly driven by housing loans direct, which improved from 3,480 crores to 4,479 crores, an increase of 28.71%. The non-agricultural gold loan recorded a growth of 11.72%, an increase from 1,382 crores to 1,544 crores. As per the financial inclusion plan, which is applicable for covering villages with a population of 2,000 and over, we are required to cover 500 villages with branchless banking and enroll a minimum of 1,50,000 beneficiaries by 31/3/2011. I would like to inform the press and the media that we have already covered 540 villages under the business correspondent model and enrolled as much as 1.53 lakh beneficiaries, complying with the targeted level of requirements. All our branches are under core banking. The bank is operating 981 ATMs across the country. Internet banking facilities offered to our customers with the following facilities: account related information, funds transfer interbank and intrabank, payment of utility bills, online shopping, payment of credit card bills, payment of commercial taxes in Andhra Pradesh, online trading, donation to temples and charitable institutions. Bank introduced transaction based mobile banking facility for transfer of funds from mobile to mobile and mobile to account. Statement of account is also being sent through email to all our customers.